Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you from Swinomish Casino and Lodge with another weekly construction update. It's been a while since I've got a chance to talk to you. Since that time, there's been a lot of things going on around here. We've got our new generator system installed and running that's going to assure us that when you guys are sitting at home in the dark, you can come here, you can eat, you can play, and you can have a great time while everybody else is sitting home in the dark. So that's a fun part of what we've done the last couple weeks. In addition to that, we are working on the last phase of the gaming floor renovation, which includes a refresh of the area that used to be in front of the sports bar. We've pulled our stage out. We are fireproofing that area right now, and then as we've done with the rest of the floor, soon we'll be coming back with new ceiling, new carpet, new wall coverings, get that stage back in place for our weekly acts, and get this place back in business for you. You can hear some noise off to my left here. Guys are working up in the ceiling, getting fireproofing done. Back to my right, you can see a bunch of ductwork back there. That's going to be the new mechanical ductwork for the sports bar when we get that thing finished up and completed. Pretty much, you're going to remember when you walk in there, it's going to look like it used to. We've got some new things we're going to be adding, some booths, some new seating, some new lighting, and it's going to be a great place once again for everybody to come to and enjoy. So, been great talking to you. Hey, don't forget, this week, Mariners opener Thursday night. So check it out. Go M's. Bye-bye.